Hi, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make appams. For those who don't know what appams are, they are a delicacy from India, more specifically Kerala. We love our appams. We have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have them with chicken, mutton, egg, you name it, we have it with them. We love appams in our household. But the issue is I forget to soak the rice or buy the instant powder from the store. So my sisters and I thought, why can't we make our own instant powder? So after a lot of trial and error, we have come down to this recipe. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So let's get started.
First, take 500 grams of roasted rice powder in a grinder jar. You should use the variety used for Pathiri and Idiyappams. To this, add 4 tablespoons of sugar and about 4 cups of coconut milk. Blend it till it makes a smooth batter. Now take 1 ladleful of batter in a saucepan. Add half cup of water and cook it on a low flame until it thickens. Make sure to keep stirring to avoid it sticking to the pan. This is called kappi.
Make sure that you cook the kappi on a low flame. Otherwise, it will scorch the pan and still be raw. Now, kappi is what makes the appam nice and soft. So have patience when you cook this. If you don't want to make kappi, you can always substitute it with 1/4 to half cup of cooked white rice.
Cook it until it becomes a cake batter consistency. Then let this mixture cool. It will thicken even more once it has cooled down properly. While the kappi cools, let's bloom the yeast. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a cup of lukewarm water. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. You know the yeast has activated when you can see bubbles on the surface.
I have used about 1 teaspoon of yeast here. The yeast that I am using is this fast rising yeast. So the quantity of yeast that you use depends upon the quality of the yeast and the temperature of your room. The fermentation time also depends upon this. The faster your yeast ferments, the sooner your batter will be ready.
Pour half the batter into a large bowl. In the other half, add the cooled kappi and the activated yeast mixture and blend it until it forms a lump-free batter. Mix this with the batter that is in the bowl. Keep it covered in a warm place for 2 to 4 hours to ferment it. You know your batter is ready when it is frothy on the surface and has a slight alcoholic aroma. The batter would have risen quite a bit due to fermentation. At this point, we will add salt to taste. We have added 1 teaspoon of salt. This is also where we check the consistency of the batter. The consistency of the batter would vary depending on the brand of rice flour you use. The batter should be slightly thicker than milk. So you can thin out your thick batter with some more coconut milk. Here I am using an extra 1/4 cup to make it the right consistency. Now our batter is ready. So let's make some appams. You should always fry the appam on a low to medium-low heat. It's a slow process. First, keep your appam pan on the stove. Cover it to heat it up. We will do this after every appam we make to bring the temperature of the pan back up. Add 1 ladleful of batter into the pan. Swirl the pan around in a circle like this. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the appam has cooked through, transfer it onto a plate and enjoy it with your favorite curry. Now remember to keep the pan covered to heat it up after every appam. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like to see more videos from us. Until next time, happy cooking!